Now let's do what we call the reversal thing. So this is chapter 7. Reversal, and also important algorithms here. So I'm going to change this to public, and here we go. Again, lots of code. I can just copy. This time I can just do the integer again. Okay, so we'll do agree. Probably great. It's not really a good thing, but we'll just randomly generate some integer variables and then we'll print them out, right? So this is the same. All right, I'm gonna start using the method here, right? So if that I want to call public, static, and void, and giving me this array, and we'll give you reverse, and I will reverse the array. Okay, so I will return when you get the array out, it's actually reversed. So this is the same thing here. And what I want to do is here. We want to print. This is the first print, right? So this is the second one. And we'll call this, we'll pass the grades to the method. And when we pass the array to the method, we only gave the name of the array, right? So the name of the array, it's actually name of the array is a reference. Okay. So the reference means that it's have the key to the memory location that store all this informations. Okay. Then when I passing this grade into the reference A here, the A will have the same key as what the grade reference to. So they will pointing to the same memory location. They will pointing to the same memory location. So every time, if inside here, I change the value of A, and I actually change the value that the grade is pointing to. Okay, so you will see that if I reprint the grade again, and the order has been changed, so I will reverse them into the order. I'll actually reverse the order there. Now, how this reverse works. So it's a little bit tricky here. We're using something called swap. Okay. So what we do here again, we'll do again every time we travel through each element of the array, right? But the good thing here is that we don't have to travel all the way. We actually just travel halfway through. So we'll say int, I start from 0, and I is less than a.length divided by 2, I plus plus. Okay, so we'll do something, we'll add some values, we'll add like temporary values, integer here, okay, because we need that to do what we call the swap. Okay, so how we swap it, and we'll say integer temp, no, not integer temp, so we'll say temp equals AI, so we'll save that first, okay, and then we will get AI a new value. Okay, it's a new value. And the new value is the corresponding ones. So like the 0, it's actually corresponding to the one, the last one is here, right? So it's actually a.length, okay, minus 1 and minus I. So you can think about it is if I have, for example, right? So the 0, okay, so the 0 will swap the 0 with the last one, which is a length minus 1, right? And then if you have 1, then is the last 2 seconds. So it is this one, right? The last one, and then minus 1, right? And so on and so forth. And then we only go to the middle of it. So we're doing the swap, right? Okay, so we actually save the last one, and then to put the the second half and into the first one, and then we will save, put this one here, and put the original one back. So this is a little tricky, okay? This is a swap. And the swap is very, very popular algorithms. And the most famous one, if you Google it, if you Google the YouTube, you can see that this is a popular question to say, if you have a couple of milk and a couple of orange juice, and you want to swap them, you want the cup that's holding the milk now to be holding the orange juice, and you want the cup that holding the milk now to have the you want the cup that has the orange juice to have the milk. So how you do that, how you can swap, you have to have third cup, which is this one here. You have to have a third cup that is empty, okay? And so you can pour the milk into the empty cup, and then they pour the orange juice into the milk cup, and then you pour that, the milk which was holding in the empty cup back into the orange cup. So this is the very famous swap algorithms here. Okay, so now if we call those one here and we print this one out again, we should see the array has been reversed. The value has been reversed. Okay, so again, if I run, all right, so you can see here, 68 goes into here now, and 87 goes into here now, and 71 goes into here now, right? And so 88 goes in here, and 80 goes here. So you can see that, right? So the last one, 89, goes here, and 85 goes here, 41 goes here, and not 41, 61 goes here, 65 goes here, and 73, and so on and so forth. And that has been reversed.